Tasty and fluffy milk bread loaded with dry fruits. Making this bread is very simple and almost same like normal bread, but it tastes delicious when comparing to normal bread. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special milk bread loaded with dry fruits. First take 50 ml of warm water in a bowl. To this add 40 grams of sugar and mix. When sugar dissolves, add 6 grams of dry yeast and mix. Now add 200 ml of warm milk and mix. When dry yeast grains completely dissolve, add 350 grams of all-purpose flour, 7 grams of salt. Now mix the flour with the liquid to form a dough. Use your hand so that you can knead the dough well. When you don't see any dry flour, add 50 grams of chopped dried figs and continue kneading for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add 50 grams of dried cranberries and continue kneading the dough. After 1 more minute, add 50 grams of prunes and continue kneading for 1 more minute. After that, add 50 grams of raisin and continue kneading for 1 minute. You can change, adjust, increase or decrease the quantity and varieties of dry fruits according to your availability. The main thing, total quantity of dry fruits should be 200 grams for this proportion of ingredients. After 1 minute, add 50 grams of unsalted butter, which is in room temperature, and continue kneading for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, make the dough into round shape. Cover with stretch film or wet cloth and rest it for 1 hour. Main thing, the dough should grow double in size. If temperature is cooler, you can give some extra time to grow. When the dough grows double in size, drop the dough onto a working surface. Press the dough gently to make the gas out. If required, slightly dust the surface with flour to avoid sticking. Now cut the dough into 2 equal parts. Make each part into round shape. Cover and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, press the dough balls and make into round, flat shape. Fold the edge to the center and bottom edge on top. Place this folded dough in baking tray aligned with parchment. The folded part should face downside. Now cover and rest until the dough grows double in size. When the dough doubles in size, take out the stretch film and make cross cuts. Now bake in preheated oven at 190 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, our soft and fluffy dry fruit milk bread is ready. Look, the color is good and even. Try this delicious bread. You will love the taste.